So, brothers and sisters, as you have now reached to the 4,000 hours watch time on your YouTube channel, and you have reached the milestone of 1,000 subscriber also. So, how to do the next steps like earning from YouTube? Like here you can see the bar has removed like the minimum requirements, and now there's an option called Get Started. So, how to do it? Just watch the video till the end. How to click on the next, and then you can see there is nothing else. So how to do it? Just click on the watch page. Like there are these type of options to monetize everything. I'll click on turn on, and they'll give me and thing to accept it. I'll click on accept, and the next page you can see they're asking me that you need to place ads during the video, mid-roll, everything. Just do it. Just accept it, because the video above the 8 minutes you can get more ads on that video. So now just select the first option, that all of the existing videos will be monetized, and click on OK. And now you have monetized all of your videos. Now you got the dollar sign on every video, which means that now if someone clicks on that video and an ad runs on that video, you will get the amount, how much it gets from that. I don't know, it depends on the country, that how much you earn from that video, like which country ad is that. And there are many things. You need to first read the policies of the YouTube. Now next step, to monetize your shorts, just click on turn on, accept this also, and click on accept, and now your shorts are also monetized. You can check now that estimated revenue from shorts is 0. Now there are two things left, membership and shopping. It's your choice when to start it and when to close it. Shopping is to add your store, like if you have a Shopify store or Amazon store or any type of another website, you can just link it with your YouTube. And another option, membership, is, as you know, if you like it's something, if you need to enable it, you can check videos on the YouTube and just enable it. So this is how you can do it. Now in next video I'll show you how you can get paid from AdSense. So do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.